Right, so here's question 2 in the practice paper. Right, so it's just about factorising this equation. So what we've got is you have two sets of brackets, and we're looking at having x at the start of both. So obviously we've got x times x gives you your x squared. What we then have to think of is two numbers that you can multiply that gives you 15, and the same two numbers we can somehow get a 2. Okay, so quite often it's the difference between the two numbers gives you a 2. So what I'm meaning there is we've got 1 times 15. Okay, so that could give you a 15. There's no way with these two numbers we could actually work out a 2. So if we think does 2, well 2 doesn't, but what about 3 times 5? What we've got is 3 times 5 gives you 15, and then you'll be thinking hopefully that, well, there's a difference of 2, right, so we could maybe take 3 away from 5. So what we do is we put in the 3 and the 5. Now we all obviously have to take care of the signs. So we're going to be multiplying two numbers, and it's going to have to give you a minus 15. So we know if we multiply minus times a minus, that gives you a positive. If we multiply a positive times a positive, that gives you a positive. So it's going to be one of the numbers will be a minus, and the other one will be a positive. Okay, so what we have to think of is what's the sign here. So that's a positive. So if you think about it, if we take 5 and subtract 3 from it, that can give you positive 2. Okay, so if you subtract 3 away from 5, then that gives you 2. So just to double check, that's your x squared. That's your minus 15. That is 5x minus 3x, and that is 2x. So that's your answer to that one.